This video will demonstrate the operating procedures for the EZYPRESS HT96 positive pressure processor. Your purchase includes the following: 1 EZYPRESS HT96, 1 user manual, 1 2 ml well collection plate, 1 spare gasket with an L key, 1 1/4-inch tubing, and 1 push tray. In preparation for the HT96 operation, please ensure that you have the following items ready: a source of external compressed air, preferably inert gas, with a pressure of at least 40 to 50 pounds per square inch. The external gas source must be free of moisture particles and hydrocarbons and be available at all times during operation. A pressure regulator to control the external gas pressure, 1 1/4-inch tubing for the external compressed gas source, and extraction plates. Ensure that proper ventilation is available during operation. Installation Step 1. Using the 1/4-inch tubing, connect the external compressed gas source to the outlet marked gas source at the back of the HT96. To connect, push the tubing in. To disconnect, push the release ring and pull the tubing out. Installation Step 2. Connect the 1/4-inch tubing from the pressure plate to the outlet marked manifold gas outlet. Installation Step 3. Place the push tray on top of the slide rails. Ensure that it slides smoothly along the rails by pushing it to the end and pulling it back. Operation Step 1. Place the collection plate on the push tray and place the filled extraction plate on top of the collection plate. Slide the push tray all the way to the end. Operation Step 2. Pull the manifold pressure regulator knob out. Slowly turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the pressure. For most extraction plates, set the manifold pressure to 30 pounds per square inch unless recommended otherwise. Push the manifold pressure regulator knob back in. Operation Step 3. Simultaneously switch the 2 toggle switches on either side of the HT96 to the up position. The plates and platform will automatically stop upon touching the pressure plate. Operation Step 4. To reach low flow range during the operation, turn the SPE flow rate selector to adjust flow. Turn the flow meter knob to the desired flow rate. For most of the extraction steps, adjust the flow meter reading between 2 and 8. To reach maximum flow rate, turn the SPE flow rate selector to the max flow position. This step is used to dry the plate. When the operation is completed, simultaneously switch the 2 toggle switches on either side of the HT96 to the down position. After completing each extraction step, ensure the flow meter is set to level 0. Then turn the SPE flow rate selector to the off position. Turn off the external gas source. Maintenance. The surface of the HT96 can be cleaned with water or alcohol. If there is a spill on the gasket, clean it with water and ensure that it is dry before proceeding. A spare gasket is provided for replacement as needed. For other components or products from Orochem, please visit our website or contact us at your convenience.